Yo, whoever is in the chat getting banned. All is in the chat getting banned. Hell nah. Y'all not allowed in here. Hello from the UK. Hello from the United States. Can you send me a ticket to go over there? Yo, I want to go to London. I want to go back to London. I don't want to eat the food. Y'all food suck. I'm sorry. I mean, y'all food do suck. I'm sorry, but I like going there. It's fun. Ooh, y'all want to hear my horoscope? All right, this is my horoscope. Taurus. In your everyday life, you may find people very conservative. Sometimes you feel as if you're being left to fend for yourself in the world of materialism. Today, you have the urge, more than ever, to surround yourself with unconventional, original people. You will find them if you just open your eyes. Who else want to hear their horoscope? Leo. Don't try to force anything or anyone right now. The first line. Holy shit. Don't try to force anything or anyone right now. You will find that the elements of today are just as stubborn as you are. Dang. Leos are stubborn. At least you are true to your sign, whether you want to or not. The planetary configuration today will force you to finally get started. Turn your dreams into reality. Face it, you have been planning for a long time, but have made little concrete progress. All of that is about to change. You want Aquarius? Aquarius. You may be feeling a bit confused today, and it may seem as if the wind has suddenly been taken out of your sail. Don't get discouraged by the slow wait list of the day. Take this opportunity to relax and recharge your batteries. Do a bit of inward reflection. Why is words hard, bro? As opposed to outer direct movement. The most valuable lesson you need to learn is patience. Get started on the lesson earned and remind yourself of it throughout the day. Why y'all coming in here talking about something I'm cute and I look basic? Don't be lying to me. You have made a lot of progress these past few weeks, especially when your temper is concerned. Good for you. Good for you. It has taken some effort on your part, but it really seems that you have overcome your habits of speaking before thinking. Take care. Not to lose the hard-won ground you gained. There is one particular person in your life whose mission seems to be to make you explode. Don't let this person rankle you. Take a deep breath and rise up. Oh my gosh, that's explicit. Wait a minute, this is a family-friendly stream. That is explicit. You got somebody eradicating you. I don't know what that means. Is something exploding? Oh my goodness. Very interesting. Very, very interesting. Scorpio, would you like to be one of the real decision makers in this world? It sounds like a advertisement. This may be a question you ask yourself today. Ever since you were a little girl, no little girl or boy, it just says, ever since you were a little girl, you have had a great sense of personal responsibility, consideration of social issues, and passion for the history of mankind. Today might be the day you make a commitment to those values. Ew, you a Pisces? Ew. Ew. Ew, no Pisces. Ew. We don't like no Pisces. You have a strong physique vision. Okay. The hell? Some people might say that you are... What is this word? This word, chat. I don't know this word. That word. Prophetic. 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 But in reality, your gift is a combination of creativity and intuition. Lies. Pisces suck. They're horrible. Blech. Spit on them. Blech. Let me... You can use this to benefit others and in fact have often done so. You are known as someone who dispenses good advice. But today, not yesterday, not tomorrow, but today, Be sure to do so when some restraints. You restraining somebody? Pisces, I knew y'all was. People are listening closely to what you have to say. If you advise someone to jump off a bridge, they might just do it. Ayo, Pisces. Ayo, Pisces. Yo, whoever a Pisces in the chat getting banned. All Pisces in the chat getting banned. Hell nah. Y'all not allowed in here. Y'all not, no Pisces. No Pisces allowed in here. Y'all can't be in here. Ban all Pisces, bro. This is Sagittarius. Today could be a dreamy day. Ooh. Today could be a dreamy day. You could feel like staying in bed and sleeping in late. Ooh, I want to be a Sagittarius today. You might be filled with memories of vivid dreams you had last night. Or you could be replaying images from a movie that you saw. Yo, Sagittarius got the life right now. Hold on, wait a minute. You've been in a visual frame of mind, extra sensitive to color and sunlight. Oh yeah, you a vampire, dude. Get out and immerse yourself in the beauty of nature. Your spirit will feel recharged as you connect with Mother Earth. Y'all don't like Sagittarius? Sagittarius is cool. They be chilling. I got no beef with them. Capricorn, this time a transition for you. That explains why your life has seemed rather bewildering lately. In general, you like to feel in control, the master of your destiny. That has not been the case of late, and you are not at all happy about it. Oh gosh, Capricorn's having a bad day. Try not to fight the current conditions too much. Go with the flow and you will discover that you are being led to your destiny. For once, allow yourself to just sit back and let it happen. I don't have a problem with any sign. They are always funny to me. Well, I have a problem with Pisces because most of my exes were Pisces and they suck. So that's why. Libra. Your sensitivity is quite strong today, and you will find that your perception of any situation is right on target with the truth of the matter. Libras are very logical though, so it makes a lot of sense. Keep in mind that in order to be successful, you won't need to strong arm anyone to doing what you want them to do. Dang, Libras, why y'all gotta be so rough? More than likely, you will be able to accomplish more just by tuning into your receptive, gentle nature. So they saying stop being an asshole. Aries, you have a very emotional nature. Well, shit. Which means that from time to time you need the time to regenerate yourself. Today is not the day to stay at home and talk about your feelings. So get the out the house. No, I'm joking. Okay, sorry. You need to get out in the world and be with other people. See, I told you, get the out of the house. You might just meet someone new. Ooh. You might just meet someone new who turns out to be someone you could really like. Today could really surprise you if you just let it. Ooh. Find a new friend, a new boyfriend, a new girlfriend, a new side chick. You can find it. You don't even know what you can find. That's beautiful. So basically, this is telling me to wash my ass and go outside. Exactly, Drew. Go outside and wash up and go outside. Today you will certainly feel the fire inside you burning. Okay. You have had enough of the status quo that seems to rule over your life. You want to push it aside and live your life without limits. If the people around you don't follow along, you may even feel like leaving them behind. Out with the old and in with the new. It's up to you to decide. Why did that sound like a quest in like World of Warcraft or something? Oh no, I didn't do Virgo. I'm sorry, Raina, my fault. I'm gonna do Virgo now. Today you may be confronted with events and feeling in your relationship with others that will take you by a surprise. Certain members of your family may share with you their desires for independency and their feelings of being misunderstood. In the general, you are a well-balanced person, but this kind of conflict may turn you into a stick of dynamite waiting to happen. Basically, Virgo, you gonna be tired of somebody's shit. Basically.